Okay guys, so neat little trick. If you come across cells or batteries which for some reason says error while charging, remember it is for rechargeable cells only. For some reason, even it might be your new cell which you have used for probably 2-3 weeks or months. So for whatever be the reason, it's a pretty neat little trick which will bring life back to your rechargeable cell. All you have to do is use a conductive material. It can be a wire, a spoon, or even your keys, and use another working cell. It can be a double A or a triple A cell, and connect the positives to the positives, negatives to the negative terminal, basically for the charge to flow just like it would when it's charging. Keep it for 5 to 10 seconds, probably 15 seconds, and then plug it back again and you will see it's charging. This might be a smart charger, that's why it's able to detect something is wrong here. If your charger is not showing error but still your cell is not working, you can try this trick too. This cell should have some charge in it. I would say if it has more than 50% charge, it's great. Keep it for some time, connect it back. Like you can see here, it's working. So that was all. Let me know if your cell worked or not. Please don't do it for non-rechargeable cells. It's not a good idea. See you again. See you soon, guys.